Hi, I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. Look, Morphle, there is snow outside of Daddy's magic pet store. That's strange. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer. Now you can push the snow away.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. Thank you for getting rid of the snow. The snow was made by Atmo, a new magic pet. It can control the weather, but it's a bit naughty. Huh?
Atmo is gone.
And he's making a storm. We need to find it before its mischief gets out of hand. Oh no! I think it went that way.
Let's go. Uh-oh.
The path is blocked.
Not in my city.
Whoa!
Oh no, we need to find Atmo. Oh no, watch out!
Atmo! You need to stop the storm! It must not be able to hear me through the storm. Atmo! You need to... Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, Atmo, I know you like playing with the weather, but that was dangerous.
I have an idea. Here, Atmo can use his weather powers to help out.
Hold it right there. Hi there, fire truck. Dump those losers and come with us. Hey, we need our truck to get to a fire.
Better start running then.
Yes, we are now the Vehicle Bandits, and with this life ray, it's easier than ever.
Oh no, Morphle! We've got to stop them! Morph into a race car!
Wait! We need to put out a fire now!
Morphle, morph into a fire truck!
To the farm! No more trips for you, you Sunday driver!
Why, you ruffians!
Time to clean yourself up. I don't know what happened. I was flipping burgers, and all of a sudden, a fire broke out.
Let's go after those bandits, Morphle!
Bandits!
Wait, Mila, Morphle! Those bandits have stolen my ambulance, and I need to bring this lady to the hospital.
Morph into an ambulance, Morphle!
A quiet day in my city. No traffic violations anywhere. Huh? Cars without drivers? Oh, not in my city. Wait, what?
Bye-bye!
Now, let's get those bandits.
Stop it! Right there!
Morphle, morph into a police car.
Wow, it's like you read my mind. Let's get those baddies! Oh, no, you don't. Vehicles, stop them!
Fly over them, Morphle.
Uh-oh.
Vehicles, join forces and become a mega robot!
Oh, boy. No! Stop it!
All those sweet rides.
There's only one ride left for you, and that's a ride to jail.
We'll always catch you, so you should just stop doing mean things.
If only we had our own Morphle.
Look, Stein!
Hey, Orphle. I have an idea.
Yeah.
A monkey? Give me back my camera!
Oh!
Isn't this great?
Yeah!
What? How did you get out of jail? Not in my city.
Oh no! It's Officer Freeze!
No problem. Orphle, morph into a dinosaur. A T-Rex? Oh, no! I did think you would be a bigger dinosaur, though.
What is all of that? Oh no! Yeah. You could have stacked the cars a bit better, Orphle.
Morphle, morph into a helicopter.
Thank you, Morphle. The bandits and their monkey put the camera up there and ran away.
The bandits escaped with the monkey? We need to go after them, Morphle.
Oh, those bandits used a crane to do this.
They had a crane as well? That's so strange.
Thanks, Morphle.
Oh, the bandits! And they have Orphle with them. Stop it, bandits.
Oh, it's Mila and Morphle.
But we have Orphle. Morph into something big.
Couldn't we have some seats or something?
Whoa! You morphed so fast, we nearly fell off. Be careful. Can't you go faster?
Our space is way too small.
Yeah, give us more room, Orphle.
There's no fun to play with.
That's what you get for being mean all the time, bandits.
We need to build a brand new house here. But first, we need to get rid of the old one.
Morphle, morph into a wrecking ball.
Okay, Morphle, ready when you are. Okay, robot dump truck, clean up the mess. With this amazing invention that we got from Professor Rashid, building new buildings is easier than ever.
Now we are the Construction Zapper Bandits.
After them, Morphle. Morphle, wreck the wall.
Let's zap ourselves some statues.
You guys are headed to the police station.
Morphle.
Hop, 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 hop. There we swim.
Mila and Morphle, look at the mess you made.
Oops. Sorry, Daddy.
And who is going to clean this up?
We will. Right, Morphle? Come, Morphle. It's our mess. Morphle, catch!
Whoosh! Whoa!
Hoo! Score! That was fun!
Yeah!
Wow! That was fast. You've already cleaned up the mess. You have definitely earned these ice creams.
Yay!
Ice cream?
Orphle? Why are you carrying around a house?
Orphle play! Now Orphle want the ice cream.
Where the heck am I?
Orphle, you can't just go play around with other people's stuff. You have to bring it back. And until you do, no ice cream. But we can help you, Orphle. Morphle, morph into a robot as well. Could you show us the usual location of your house?
Yes, of course. It's that way.
Okay, let's go. Did you do all this, Orphle?
It was him, all right.
Looks like we have some work to do. Okay, let's get busy. Daddy, we're back. What happened here, Daddy?
Well, I was doing some gardening, and one thing led to another. But let's have some ice cream.
But Daddy, don't you need to clean up your mess before you can have ice cream?
Yeah, I guess so.
Hi, everybody.
Are you ready to come travel back in time with us?
We're going to visit the age of the dinosaurs.
Ooh, dinosaurs!
There are all sorts of different dinosaurs, and we are going to study them all.
Let's go!
Here we are, the age of dinosaurs. Look!
Oh no, those are velociraptors.
Velociraptors are small but dangerous dinosaurs. Whoa! Tumbling test tubes. Whew, that was close. Thank you, Morphle.
Morphle, morph into a Gallimimus.
Wow!
one of the fastest dinosaurs there is. Great, Morphle!
Look over there. Those are Argentinasauruses.
They are so big, but they only eat plants. Oh no! We need to save that egg, Morphle. Morph into a pteranodon. You did it, Morphle! Now, we need to find the mother of this egg.
It doesn't look like an Argentinosaurus egg.
No! Look! There's some Argentinosaurus eggs right there.
Let's keep searching. A Triceratops.
Triceratops had 3 big, sharp horns. Aw, that's so cute! But look, those eggs are different from the egg we have.
So this egg isn't a Triceratops egg. Interesting.
Whoa!
A real pteranodon. And it's trying to chase us away from her eggs.
And look, those pteranodon eggs don't look like the one we have. Let's fly away quickly.
Those are Ankylosauruses.
They can use the end of their tails to hit really hard. But look at that eggshell. It's different from ours as well. Huh? How can there be crocodiles in the time of the dinosaurs?
Crocodiles are a really old species and already existed in the time of the dinosaurs.
Wow! But look! Even the crocodile eggs look different from ours. Oh, I don't think we're ever going to find the mother of this egg. Wow! A Spinosaurus!
It wants to eat us. Run!
Morphle! Morph into a T-Rex! A Spinosaur is way bigger than a T-Rex! It wants to eat us, but what does it want? I know! It wants the egg! The Spinosaurus is the mother of this egg!
Phew! That was close. Good thinking, Mila.